Om Shri Sai Ram, children. I hope you all are fit and fine, keeping well at home, and doing little studies also. Yes or no? How are you?
Yes, ma'am, Sairam. We are
Sai
doing
Ram.
studies, ma'am.
Yes. And you are enjoying also studies or not?
Yes, ma'am, we are enjoying studies. We are enjoying the rain.
Very good, very good. Yes, so as you said, you are enjoying rain also. The weather is really very beautiful. So we'll start today our new poem that is Rain from Unit 4. Okay? So,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
let me start. Let me share the screen. Wait for a minute. Yes, screen is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, children, this is a poem Rain from Unit 4, and the poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so let's see the poem first. Okay, so before beginning the class, I would request to please join your hand and close your eyes and let's chant Omkar three times. Om, Om, Om. Sai Ram.
Sairam, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, I can see, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So the poem is Rain, and we'll recite the poem, and we'll understand it. Okay. So it's like this. It's a beautiful picture of your poem. So the girl is. Can you see the girl? She's standing with umbrella and smiling.
Yes, ma'am, and raincoat also. And boots
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. Gumboots, raincoats. Isn't it? This picture is beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Yes.
also wear like this when it rains.
Yes. Oh, good. Very nice. So let's see the poem. It's like this. Okay, so first I'll read for you and you listen it carefully. Then afterwards you can read. Okay, so it's like this. Unit 4, poem Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on it falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. One more, children, one more time. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrella. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. So it is a poem by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so would you like to read this poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you try?
Yes, ma'am. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea.
Very good. Well done. So, have you understood it? As you can see, the poem is very small. Only four lines are there, one stanza. Yes, but
Yes, ma'am, very
the poem
small
is
poem.
really beautiful. Yes. So here the poem is saying, as we have read it, it says, the rain is raining all around. So it means everywhere, all around, rain is raining. It falls on field and tree. So rain is falling on fields, on trees, everywhere, all around. Okay, it rains on the umbrellas here. It means it raining on umbrellas also as people are carrying umbrellas also to protect themselves from rain? Yes or no? If they have to go out for
Yes,
something,
ma'am.
what
Yes,
they have
ma'am.
to carry? They have to carry umbrellas.
Umbrellas.
They have to wear
Raincoats.
raincoats. Yes. Gumboots also.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes if it is raining very long time, right? And in hilly areas, what they do? They wear it, gumboots. Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
on the ships at sea. So it's raining everywhere on the field, on the trees, on the umbrellas also, as people are carrying umbrellas, and on the ships at the sea. So whatever ships are there near the sea or at the sea, so it's raining everywhere. So it means simply we can say rain is raining everywhere, all around. No place is left. Everywhere. Okay?
Ma'am, in the ship also they have umbrellas.
They actually the ship is there and maybe people are not there, but it's there. So without people, no no umbrellas, right? If no one is there, who will carry the umbrella? Otherwise, they have big ship means a big boat, so they have everything to cover or protect from rain.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So I'll after this I would like to show a video of it. Let's go to Tata Edge class
Yes,
and
ma'am.
see the video. Yes. Can you hear it? Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
The poet describes how rain falls on everything around us. The rain falls on the short plants in the field and on the tall trees. Falls on the umbrellas of the children. It also falls on the ship sailing on the sea.
So here you can see the ship, right?
Yes,
And as
ma'am.
you can see, there is no umbrella here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the small explanation of the poem here, children. It's raining all around, as you can see on the field here.
The poet describes how rain falls on everything around us. The rain falls on the short plants in the field.
See, you can see field means short plants where the plants are there, a piece of land actually field. Okay, so here you can see it's raining all around. It falls on shots of plants in the field and on the tall trees as well.
Yes, ma'am.
On the tall trees, it falls on the umbrellas of the children.
See, the children are carrying umbrellas, so it falls on umbrellas also. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This
Also
was
falls on the ship sailing on the sea.
so this was the poem explanation part. Okay, let's go back to the PPT. Okay. So let's see the new words, children, of the poem. First is rain. Can you read after me?
Yes, ma'am. Rain.
Then around,
Around.
field,
Field.
falls,
Falls.
umbrella,
Umbrella.
ships,
Ships.
sea.
Sea.
Okay. So let's look to the word meaning. The first word is all around, means everywhere. Please
Everywhere.
repeat.
Everywhere.
Yes, all around, everywhere. Very good. The second is field, a piece of land used for farming.
Field. A piece of land used for farming.
Means farming means when where the farmer grows crops. As you have seen in the picture in the video, there were small plants were there. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the piece of land used for farming, growing some plants, vegetables, flowers, etc. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
The third word is umbrella. U M
Umbrella.
B R E L L A. See, children, you many of you, what happens always, you do some silly mistakes while writing the spelling, right? So be careful when you write this spelling and learn this spelling. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The meaning is a canopy used to protect from rain.
A canopy used to protect from rain.
See, children, we all have umbrellas at home, yes,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
we carry also during rainy season. But
Yes,
the thing is, you all know what we call in Hindi, that is chhatri or chhata, है ना?
ma'am.
But the thing is, when you are writing some meaning in English, it can be sometimes little longer. Okay, so
Yes,
here a canopy, we can say a circular canopy used to protect from rain. All right.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next is ship, a large boat.
Ship. A large boat.
As you have seen in the picture in the video, it was
Yes,
little longer one, little larger one, yes,
yes, ma'am.
and boat is smaller one.
Yes, ma'am.
And the fifth word is sea, sea, means
Sea.
ocean.
Ocean.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
so it's a large water body, we can say. So hope children you enjoyed today's poem, that is rain, and
Yes,
this
ma'am.
was
Very
from
much.
today's class children. In the next video we are going to discuss what makes sentences and few more questions from the poem. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So have you enjoyed the poem?
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
Okay, thank you. Children, take care, Sairam, and then we are going to do Shanti part. Join your hands.
Ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am, how rain falls, ma'am? My mummy said they fall from clouds.
Yes, it falls from cloud. When clouds have lots of water, they store lots of water. Then at the end, what happens? They started falling in the form of rain. That water starts falling in form of rain. Okay, and that is a big process. That is vaporization, evaporation, everything that you will learn in your EVS book in class 3 or class 4. So once, if you want, I'll explain you whole process. Do you want me to explain
Yes,
with a
ma'am.
video also? Okay, definitely I'll explain how rain occurs. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice question. It means you're thinking. Yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Chalo, okay, at the end we'll do Shanti part. Join your
Yes,
hand, close your eyes. Om Shanti. Shanti, Shanti. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.
Saira, ma'am.